Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency and freshly detailed, so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for three that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders, a 12-volt power outlet, and two USBs with fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 50,871 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, and your driver assistance features, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And then above your screen, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and a small cubby beneath it. And on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power from there. And then down below your climate controls, you have another 12-volt with two USBs and a little shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. And then moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector at the end of the stock for normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport. So you have quite a few options there for your customizable drive modes. Then moving on to your center console, where you have two cup holders with your center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another compartment underneath that for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.